First, select the board, Arduino UNO and COM port of your TTL converter, and select both NL and CR and set baud rate to 9600. Now type 80 and enter. If it responds OK, 80 plus address equals to 1 and enter. And now 80 plus network ID equals to 5 and enter. And 80 plus band equals to 86850000, comma M, and press enter. Add 80 plus IPR equals to 9600. Now repeat the process same for the other LoRa module with the address equals to 2, and now upload the code for receiver and transmitter separately. The receiver code and transmitter code given in the description. Please check it out.